Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing very good in your life. Back again with a new video, new designs and new style. In this video guys, I'm going to show you very stylish, very pretty, very nice and beautiful designs, gorgeous, latest and lovely pixie haircut ideas and style. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing video of new haircut and short haircut style. Hope you guys enjoy this lovely, nice and beautiful haircut and dye hair color. So just keep on watching guys, because these lovely and amazing ideas of short hair and beautiful pixie haircut are so trendy. I hope you guys enjoy these amazing ideas and style. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing pattern. If you like this amazing video, if you like this amazing nice haircut ideas are so good. Haircut and hair color will change your personality. And also guys, volumize your hairs. We all are following trend, we all are following fashion. So if you love follow trend, if you love follow fashion, you will cut your hairs, you will collect your hairs into different style and different ideas. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing video, beautiful designs and latest style. Thank you very much guys for watching my all new videos and all new pattern. If you want to see different videos, designs and perfect style, please visit to my channel and the playlist. And I hope you guys enjoy these amazing designs and beautiful style. We will be right back with another amazing video, with another amazing style, with another amazing ideas and perfect style and new designs. Thank you everyone for watching my new video. Take care. And if you are a girl, if you are a lady, if you are a woman, this beautiful haircut and dye hairs are also very nice and very pretty. Thank you everyone for watching my new videos. If you want to try this amazing haircut, you can choose different dye hair color according to your face. My dear ladies and dear women, this nice, perfect and beautiful short haircut ideas and style are so good. And I hope you guys enjoy this amazing video. Thank you everyone for watching my new ideas and new pattern. And I hope you guys enjoy this lovely haircut. See you soon in the next video guys. Take care, keep supporting me and do subscribe my YouTube channel, and bye bye.